So now take a deep breath of air and hum underwater for as long as you can. Hum in the water. So right now with me without going under. Go ahead. Do it again, and now we do it together. That's your homework assignment. You have to do that. Now do it for that long underwater. Go. Remember, when you're going under, you have to start humming before you enter, before your nose enters the water, right? So go ahead and just sit down, don't float, right? Go. Okay, and right now, look at me. See how I'm not forcing it? You see that? Nice and easy. What you're doing this. Right? So like you're yelling underwater, I'm asking you to hum. So so let's try it. Okay. Yeah, go. Better. Okay, good. So now try to do it in such a way that you would not interrupt. It would not be interrupted. So ideally, you would do it for 20 seconds. So that's your homework assignment. Your bathtub homework assignment. Ready? Go. Okay. See that? You stopped and you forced it. So it's fine to force it in the very beginning because just there's that pressure. Go ahead again. Okay, that's better. Do it again. Okay, and try to do it a little longer. I'm gonna time you right now. Ready? 8, 9, go. So you did about 8 seconds.
Wow.
Right? So 20 seconds you need to do that.
Yep, okay.
Bobs with jumps. Really high one, really push yourself with push the water. That's it, that's it. Shoulders back. Shoulders back, shoulders back, shoulders back. Very nice. Okay, so here we go. Your favorite friend